So what's up guys, and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we'll be tying an Icelandic pattern that is called Peacock by Kolbeinn Grímsson, developed in, I don't know when, between the 70s or the 80s, late 70s probably. And this time we are going to tie it with a synthetic peacock hearl. So this is something that Semperfli has come up with to replace the natural peacock. It looks like this, and it looks pretty much like the natural stuff, and they produce it in green and black and I think blue also. And also they produce it in two lengths. So we are using the green one in 2 millimeters for this fly, and this is a very simple fly. For the hook, I'm using a traditional nymph from Arex, number 10. And as I said, this is a pattern from the late 70s. Fluor orange waxed 8/0 thread for the win from Semperfli. And yeah, as I said, this is an Icelandic pattern developed in like probably late 70s or somewhere around or early 80s by a man named Kolbeinn Grímsson. He's like, as I said in the other videos on this fly, an Icelandic legend in fly fishing and fly tying. And I pinched out like a little bit of this chenille, so it will be enough for the body. And we attach that to the hook shank like so. As a matter of fact, you can actually like use black thread for this if you like. You can skip the bead if you want to fish it lightweight, and then you have to make the orange part or the orange color with like a globrite material. That's how the original fly was made. But then we wrap the synthetic peacock hearl around the hook shank, this Semperfli synthetic hearl, and we wrap it all the way to with the touching wraps to the bead, and then we attach it down with the thread. And this fly, what it is imitating is like a cased or a housed caddis that has like a little part of the caddis peeping out of the case, and that is the orange part. You can tie it with a green bead or a yellow bead or like a, yeah, you can kind of pick your color that you like. But originally it was tied with this orange, and not a bead, it was just like a fluor orange, like a globrite, and no bead. This fly was developed in the time before we were starting to use beads to weight our flies. Then we make like a little head on it, like a little thread base behind the bead, and like so, and then we just do the finishing job and you're good to go. Put like a little glue or sapper cap or UV glue on the knot, and that's it. Then you have the synthetic peacock ready for the springtime fishing. This is the most popular nymphs in Iceland, I believe, or probably of all time. And just to finish the job, you put like a little bit of a sapper cap on it and you're good to go. So I just want to say to you guys again, it's a short video, but important one. Say to you guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And the description and the pattern of a fly you can find in the video's description. Also, you can consider to support the channel if you like the content I'm making. But until the next one, I will see you guys in the next video.